On numbers 7 and 8, you're solving the systems using elimination. So make sure you use that process on these two problems or you won't get full credit even if you get the correct answer. So remember, what's in bold won't be on your test. You'll have to know that you can't add your equations until the coefficients of one of your variables are opposites of one another, like -4 and +4, so that variable will cancel out. So on number 7, we already have it in standard form, and we already see that one of our variables would cancel out because the coefficient on our y values are a +2 and a -2. So these are ready to add. When I add my equations, I add my x's. 4x plus 2x is 6x. The +2y and the -2y cancel out. That's 0y, so I don't have any y's. Then I have my equal sign, and 16 plus 14 is 30. So now this equation only has one variable in it, so I can solve for x by undoing the multiplication, by dividing both sides by 6, and getting x equals 30 divided by 6 is 5. So I know my solution is going to be a point, and this is the x value. Now I need to find the y value. So at this point you can pick either one of your equations. So if I pick the first one, which is 4x plus 2y equals 16, I'm going to replace the x with 5. So I'd have 4 times 5 plus 2y equals 16. Now this equation only has a y, so I can solve for y. 4 times 5 is 20. Then I can undo the addition of 20 by subtracting 20 from both sides. So now I have 2y equals 16 minus 20 is -4. And then undo the multiplication by using division. So dividing by 2, I get y equals -2. -4 divided by 2 is -2. Make sure you really pay attention to those signs and don't make errors on your signs. Check everything in your calculator. So once you have your solution, make sure you check it in both equations. So in your first equation, replacing the x with 5 and the y with -2, and making sure that makes a true statement. So 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times -2 is -4, so that's -4. And 20 minus 4 is 16. In my second equation, I'm replacing x with 5 and y with -2. 2 times 5 is 10. A -2 times a -2 is a +4. And 10 plus 4 is 14. So I know my answer is correct.